parts machine. I don't have a sheet, so what's your name?
Bobby Walker.
And where are you from? Walla Walla, Washington. All right. Now, to get him started, we have to count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And when we give him 1, we're going to give him the green flag, and he's taking off. So let's get ready. 5. Bantai, here we go. Tough truck number 1. It's going to go down. Gonna make that big corner, come around. There you go, jump number 1. Oh, little nose dive in action. Yeah, there we go. Oh, the door's trying to come open. Hey, he's got his seatbelt on for safety. Come on, cheer him on. Here he comes, he's going by time. Coming to the finish, this is, oh, round 1 action, yeah. His time, 28.34. Oh no, look at this. Anything goes. The P&K towing. He's got Penske Leasing on there. And who's our driver and where are you from?
Cody Cords, and I'm from Benton City, Washington.
He's got some fans in the stands. That's right, baby. Well, let's see if Saturns can really fly. Here we go. 5. Banzai. Here we go. Ooh, she's a smoker. That's good for the mosquitoes. He's like, where do I go? Oh, gotta keep going. You forgot. That's called brain freeze at the moment. Look at the shark. Come on, make some noise for the shark. Here he comes. Yeah. Nice job. And he's gonna take it out of the arena. We'll get our next one in. Seconds because he missed half the jump. So he got a 5-second penalty, but was that cool or what? Okay. Let's get over here. Oh no, he was here last night. That's right. Jesse's back for more. He had a broken axle last night when he drove it out of here. They took it home and they fixed it. Pretty cool. Let's get him going. 5. Banzai. He's off with a Jeep Cherokee. Oh, he's grabbing gears. Careful, easy. Careful, easy. Oh, now he's going slow. He's trying to keep the truck in one piece is what he's doing. They have 2 rounds. Check it out. They go by time. It's not always who gets the biggest air. It's who can drive the machine. Come on, make some noise. This will be fast time. There we go. Fast time, 25-22. Monster truck drivers, get in your trucks. We're going racing. Monster truck drivers, it'll be Double Trouble and Bigfoot, and it'll be Defender and Ghost Rider. Take your time, get in, guys. We gotta get the track set. We need 2 cones.